Oh, Brooklyn, yet again, I've hit a wall with commenting on typing comments, so I'm going to send you this little video. In your submission point, please copy paste your writing into the box instead of this link. I don't really need you to do that. So I open up your paper. Give me a second to read it, and I'm going to talk to you about it. You'll need your title right here, your last name and page number up there. Let me read this and let me talk to you about it. That seems like a reasonable introduction to me. I do wish this thesis statement keyed in more clearly on differences. I want people's thesis statements and topic sentences to be very explicit about, uh, declaring differences. So even using the word differences. Yeah, so they're from opposite ends of the spectrum. The purpose is the same, but I want you to foreshadow how they're different. All right, let me keep reading. I would like for you, similarly, in your topic sentences, again, acknowledge a difference. So the way your topic sentences read right now, it's like you're coaching someone through making a decision. And what I would prefer this to be is you posing up two things to look at how they differ. So while I think, you know, describing the situation of having to make this decision makes perfect sense for the introduction and opening a space for the discussion to be had, I want your topic sentences to say blank and blank are different in this area in this way, and then go from there. Um, I see you opted for the style one structure here, and that's a good thing. This paragraph strikes me as a little long. Let's just see. 209. That's not so bad. But I think in general you're going to want to shoot for 150 words per paragraph if you want to stay underneath that 1,000 max, and if you want to cover all the ground that I think you should. Now, this is an abomination. Make sure these look like actual works cited citations, which means you're going to copy your or emulate the uh, work from a website or work on a website model from your MLA guidelines. So, of course, you'll need your author, article title, website title, date it was published, URL, access date if there was no date, publication date. And your URLs should not look like these hyperlinks. They should look like, like one of these. All right. So, another thing, I'm assuming you didn't use these sources in what you have up here, because when you do use these sources, you have to indicate having done so. You have to use signal phrases and in-text citation as we practice with the Paulson exercises. So make sure that you're indicating where in the paper you're using these sources with signal phrases and citations, in-text citations. So do that for me with your next submission, and I'll be able to speak to you regarding that particular matter.